The flexible tube allows you to easily pivot and move your backpack blower's air tube. The flexible plastic tube is attached between the elbow and the swivel tube. Over time, the tube can crack or have a hole rubbed through it, causing it to leak air. Replacing the flexible tube is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by loosening the hose clamps that secure the flexible tube to the elbow and to the swivel tube. I'll remove the swivel tube and pull the flexible tube away from the elbow. Now I can install the new tube. I'll transfer the hose clamps from the old tube to the new. Now I'll take the anti-static line, place it inside of the flexible tube, and work the flexible tube back onto the elbow. And I'll tighten the hose clamp. I'll reinstall the swivel tube and secure it with the other hose clamp. And that's how easy it is to replace the flexible tube on your blower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.